Hi Sam. Today, we're going to explore the word
Wind.
Hi Alex.
Wind.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Great question. The word
Wind.
means wind in English, referring to the movement of air. It can also mean to wind something, like a clock. The first meaning is the most common. Just be careful, because it can be confused with the English word wind as in to turn or twist.
Oh, I see. So, how do we use it in sentences?
For sure.
Wind.
Is a masculine noun, so we say.
Der Wind.
The plural form is.
Die Winde.
For example, you might say.
Der Wind weht stark.
Which means the wind is blowing strongly.
That makes sense. And how do we use it as a verb?
As a verb, it's.
Winden.
In the present tense, you say.
Ich winde. Du windest.
And.
Windet.
In the past tense, you would say.
Ich wand.
And in perfect, it's.
Ich habe gewunden.
An example could be.
Ich habe die Schnur gewunden.
Which means I wound the string.
What about the imperative form?
Good catch. The imperative is.
Winde.
When you want to tell someone to win something.
Okay. I'm following you so far. Where does the word come from?
The word
Wind.
originates from Old High German,
Winda.
which means air or breeze. Over time, its meaning has remained quite stable, referring mostly to air movement. It's fascinating how such a natural phenomenon has kept its name for so long.
That is interesting. So, can we break it down more?
Yes. The word
Wind.
doesn't split into parts since it's quite simple. But if we think of it conceptually, we can associate it with air and movement. It's like the invisible force that affects everything around us.
I get it. Are there any similar words we should know?
Absolutely. For example, there's,
Winden.
which means to wind, and,
Windhose.
meaning wind hose. Then, we have,
Windkraft.
which refers to wind power. Other words include,
Windrichtung.
for wind direction, and,
Windgeschwindigkeit.
for wind speed.
So many related words. What about some real-life situations where I might use
Wind.
Great idea. Let's say you're outside and want to talk about the weather. You could start with,
Wie stark ist der Wind heute?
meaning how strong is the wind today?
Okay, let me try that.
Wie stark ist der Wind heute?
Perfect. Another situation could be at a picnic. You might say,
Der Wind ist kalt, lass uns ins Zelt gehen.
which means the wind is cold, let's go into the tent.
Got it.
Der Wind ist kalt. Lass uns ins Zelt gehen.
Excellent. One more situation could be when you're sailing. You could say,
Wir brauchen mehr Wind für das Segel.
which means we need more wind for the sail.
I'll try that.
Wir brauchen mehr Wind für das Segel.
Very good, Sam. Now, let's talk about how to remember the gender of.
Wind.
Right. Any tips for that?
Since
Wind.
is masculine, you can remember it because it often refers to something active and strong, like male energy. You could visualize a strong man blowing air.
That's a helpful image.
Additionally, it's common for masculine nouns to end in a consonant, which is often a hint.
That makes sense. Are there any common phrases or collocations with
Wind.
Yes. You can say,
Im Wind stehen.
meaning to stand in the wind, or,
Wind machen.
which means to make wind but can also mean to hurry. Be careful not to confuse
Wind.
with,
Winde.
which can mean winds in other contexts.
I see the potential for confusion there.
Now, let's practice a few sentences. Can you translate this?
Der Wind hat gestern geweht.
That means the wind blew yesterday, right?
Exactly. Now, how about this one?
Der Wind bringt frische Luft.
That would be the wind brings fresh air.
You're on a roll. Now, let's quiz you a bit. What's the plural of?
Wind.
Is it?
Die Winde.
Correct. And how do you say to wind in German?
That would be.
Winden.
Excellent. What's the past tense of?
Winden.
I think it's.
Ich wand.
Right again. Now, can you give me an example sentence with?
Wind.
Sure.
Der Wind weht heute stark.
Perfect. Last question, what's the gender of?
Wind.
It's masculine, right?
Yes. You did great, Sam.
Thanks, Alex. I learned a lot today about
Wind.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, the key takeaway is that
Wind.
means wind, and it's a masculine noun.
I'll definitely remember that.
Keep practicing, and we'll have more fun with new words next time.